ClickSmart Plus. How to pair multiple smart sensors. Before pairing multiple smart sensors, make sure you have the ClickSmart Plus hub set up and paired to the app. On the home screen, tap your ClickSmart Plus hub. Next, press Add Subdevice. Make sure all of the sensors you wish to add are in pairing mode. If the LED is not blinking, follow the on-screen instructions on ways to reset. When all of your devices are in pairing mode, press LED Already Blink. The app will now search for all of your sensors. Once all of your sensors have been found, tap Done. All of your sensors have been successfully added. You're now ready to use all of your paired sensors. Just tap on the sensor you wish to use and you'll be taken to the sensor's home screen. All ClickSmart Plus products are compatible with Alexa and Hey Google. ClickSmart Plus, making your home smarter.